Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budget. Today's video is my mini savings video. With that, I have $50 that I am saving with. I have three $5 bills, which are my savings boosts. I have my 6 saving challenges from different creators. And I'm just going to put these fives all in here. Hopefully they get added evenly. Who knows? How are you guys doing? All right. Got my die, 6-sided die here, and we are going to put 2 bills on whatever number that the dice tell us to. Hopefully everyone gets some love. Or I don't think we'll be able to finish any today, but who knows? 5, 6, 6. Come on, 2 and 1. 5. Okay, 2. 6. All right. We might finish one. Who knows? 5. And we're going to put the last 2 bills on 1. Just to show a little love. All right. I think I am posting this on, I don't know what day, but did you guys go out for St. Patrick's Day? Did you guys celebrate, cook some corned beef, or have some green beer, some Irish stew? You guys do any of that? I didn't, but I know a lot of people who did. All right, let's see. So this challenge is created by me. You can find this in my Etsy shop. This little bunny saves $30, and today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Whoa. So let's see, 14. So let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Wow, we almost finished that one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I had to make sure. So in total, so far I got 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26. Yes, I might finish this one by the end of the month. That'd be awesome. All right, next is this challenge created by Porter, Lord have mercy. Party Planner Papery says $26, and it got a savings boost. And today it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Okay, these challenges is showing out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. And out of 26 so far, it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. And if you're new here, what I save is for my revolving sinking funds. And it's just sinking funds that I have, that I am saving for, that I just put money in. If I need it, I take money out of that category. So this just saving small amounts for those different categories. And at the end of the month, I count how much money I have completed out of my mini savings, and then I reallocate those into those appropriate sinking funds. So stay tuned for the end of the month to see how much I save in total for the whole month of March and which sinking funds that will go to. So stay tuned. So this one is You're My Lucky Charm, created by Doodle Dollars. And today it got $2. So let's do the last coin for $2. And this will save 31. And they got 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $25. All right. Next is, where's the challenge? All right. So this beautiful one is created by Plan to Save Designs, Spring Bloom Dreams Bloom. Yes, it does. And it also got a savings boost, so it got $5, $6, $7, $8. So let's do 3, 6, yeah, 8 there. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And so far I got $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Thought one of these that I made a mistake last week, but I don't know. Next we have, ooh, this is getting some money for the first time. This is created by, oh, I think she said she took the numbers out. So Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. I would have her listed down below. So I made each circle $2, saves a total of 36. And this is egg cavitator. I think I said that right. I don't know. So this is $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. $8. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Perfect. Just in time to get prepared for Easter. When Easter here, I finally like, yes, spring is in the air. The flowers are starting to bloom. Most exciting time of the year. Okay, this is created by Budget with Carly, Drinking My Coffee, and Trusting the Universe. And this is, I made each starter $2, saves a total of 30. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $8. So let's color some in. I got these new markers, these Crayola markers. I seen Project Savings using them, and I love them because I like the little clickety click. It's probably gonna get on you guys' nerves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do 4. Perfect. Just love that. All right. And let's see how much we got so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. $12. Wow, and that is $50. All right. So that is all of our challenges. $50 going into each one. Like maybe next week we'll be able to finish 1 or 2. Who knows what the dice is going to roll, and we shall see. And that is all I have. Thank you so much, Gems, for the love and support. If you have not already, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.